Have you ever started drilling into metal only to see smoke, sparks, and a dull bit within seconds? The truth is, most bits just can't handle the heat. But a great set cuts cleanly, stays sharp, and saves you hours of frustration. Today, we're looking at 10 of the best drill bits for metal, tested for durability, precision, and real performance. Let's find out which ones truly earn their spot. You know that awful moment when your drill bit starts to squeal and smoke halfway through a steel plate? This set eliminates that. The metric M42 8% Cobalt Drill Bit Set is built for serious metalwork. Each bit is made from high-grade cobalt steel that handles extreme heat without losing its edge. The 135-degree split point tip bites instantly and stays centered, giving you clean holes every time. Whether you're working on stainless steel, cast iron, or tough alloys, these bits cut through smoothly instead of grinding or slipping. They're durable enough to last through heavy use, which means fewer bit changes and more consistent results. Ideal for mechanics, machinists, and metal fabricators, this set offers the kind of performance that turns frustrating jobs into effortless precision. If you need drill bits that don't quit under pressure, this is the set to trust. If you've ever had a drill bit go dull halfway through a project, you'll appreciate what this STROTON Cobalt Drill Bit Set can do. Made with 5% cobalt steel, these bits are engineered to stay sharp and strong even when drilling through hard metals like stainless steel or cast iron. The split point design gives you a clean start every time, while the precise fluting helps remove chips efficiently for smoother holes. These bits don't chatter, wander, or overheat easily, which means you can keep drilling with confidence. The set includes the most useful sizes for both professionals and DIY users, and each bit fits securely in the chuck for steady control. Whether you're fabricating, repairing, or working in a garage workshop, this set makes metal drilling easier, faster, and more reliable. It's strong, consistent, and built for long-term performance. You don't always need the most expensive tools, just the right ones that get the job done well. The VALYRIANTOOL Titanium-Coated Drill Bit Set is built for people who switch between different materials but still want reliable results. Each bit is made from hardened steel and coated with titanium to reduce friction and extend lifespan. The sharp tips bite quickly into metal, aluminum, or even wood, giving you neat holes without stalling or overheating. The flat shank design keeps the bit steady in your drill so you get consistent control on every pass. It's a great everyday set for workshops, home projects, or light fabrication work. These bits stay sharp longer, cut cleaner, and handle mixed materials without fuss. If you want a dependable, versatile set that performs well without breaking the bank, this one's a smart pick. You know that feeling when your regular drill bits just can't handle tougher materials. The YOUGFIN Drill Bit Set changes that. Built from durable high-speed steel with added heat resistance, these bits are made to handle more than just wood. They perform beautifully on metal, plastic, and even hardened steel. The 135-degree split point tips grip instantly, cutting cleanly without slipping across the surface. You get smooth, accurate holes every time. The set includes all the common sizes you'll need for home repairs, DIY builds, or small fabrication projects. Each bit fits snugly in its labeled storage box, so everything stays organized and ready to grab. They're reliable, affordable, and consistent, exactly what you want when you don't have time for dull or weak bits. For anyone who drills metal occasionally but still wants professional results, this set is a smart, no-fuss choice that just works. You start a metal drilling job, and instead of the bit wandering off-center, it locks in and cuts cleanly. That's what the DEWALT DWA1240 Pilot Point Cobalt Drill Bit Set does best. Made from heavy-duty cobalt alloy, these bits are built to take on stainless steel, cast iron, and other tough materials without overheating. The pilot point tip gives you instant precision. No walking, no rough edges, just sharp, controlled starts. They stay sharper longer and handle constant use with ease. The included storage case keeps them neatly organized and within reach, which is perfect when you're switching sizes mid-project. Whether you're a professional fabricator or a weekend DIYer tackling serious metalwork, this set is made for you. Strong, steady, and dependable, it delivers the kind of accuracy that saves both time and frustration. Once you use these, it's hard to go back to standard bits. If you've ever drilled through metal and felt your bit skid or overheat, you'll appreciate what the BOSCH CO14 set brings to the table. Each bit is made from cobalt-infused steel, built to handle hard metals like stainless and cast iron with confidence. The split-point design keeps your start precise and reduces pressure on the bit, while the 3-flat shank ensures it stays firmly locked in the chuck. You get smooth drilling, clean holes, and fewer slips or stalls, even under heavy load. The range of sizes covers nearly everything you'll need in the workshop or garage, and the build quality means they'll last far longer than standard bits. Bosch's attention to balance and geometry makes these feel solid and professional in use. For anyone who drills metal regularly and wants durability without complexity, this set delivers quiet confidence and consistent results every time. You start drilling into a thick steel plate, expecting the bit to struggle, but it doesn't. That's what sets the IRWIN 29-piece Cobalt drill bit set apart. Each bit is made from high-strength M35 cobalt alloy, built to resist heat and wear even under constant pressure. The 135-degree split-point tips lock in quickly, cutting cleanly without wandering or stalling. The set includes precise size increments from 1/16 to ½ an inch, so you're covered for everything from delicate pilot holes to heavy-duty fabrication. Every bit is stored in a sturdy, indexed case that keeps things organized and ready for quick access. Whether you're a mechanic, fabricator, or just someone who wants professional results in a home workshop, this set delivers sharp accuracy, long life, and a reliable feel. It's made for people who need power and precision without compromise. You know that feeling when you hit metal and the bit just skates over the surface? This set fixes that. The BeHappy Cobalt split-point drill bit set grips instantly and powers through stainless steel, cast iron, and hardened alloys with ease. Each bit has a 135-degree split-point tip that starts clean and stays accurate, giving you smooth holes without chatter or slippage. Made from high-speed steel blended with cobalt, they handle heat well and stay sharp for longer runs. The fluted design clears chips efficiently, reducing friction while improving speed. The included index storage box keeps every size organized and easy to grab. This set is perfect for both home workshops and light professional use, giving you strong, consistent drilling without the frustration of dull or wandering bits. It's built for those who want steady performance and clean results every single time. Sometimes you just need a set that works. Strong, sharp, and reliable. The Hanson 21-piece Cobalt drill bit set is exactly that. These bits are crafted from high-speed steel with added cobalt, giving them the toughness to cut through hardened metal without losing their edge. The 135-degree split-point tips start drilling right where you place them, minimizing slipping and wasted effort. They're designed to withstand high heat and heavy workloads, making them perfect for automotive, fabrication, or maintenance work. Each bit sits neatly in its metal storage case, clearly labeled for quick selection. There's nothing flashy here, just pure functionality and consistent performance. When you're working with metal, this set feels like a dependable partner that never backs down, helping you get clean, accurate results every time you pull the trigger on your drill. If you like having every bit you'll ever need right at your fingertips, the MACXCOIP M35 Cobalt drill bit set delivers exactly that. Built from M35 cobalt steel, these bits are designed to cut through stainless steel, cast iron, and hardened metal with control and precision. The sharp split-point tips make clean starts easy, reducing the need for extra force or pilot holes. Each bit stays cooler under pressure, maintaining its sharpness even after repeated use. The organized carrying case makes it simple to grab the right size without wasting time mid-project. It's a complete, professional-grade set that fits both workshop and field use. Whether you're repairing machinery, building metal frames, or working on auto parts, this set gives you consistent results, less effort, and a smoother drilling experience. Durable, balanced, and ready for any task, this one earns its place in every toolbox. And that wraps up our list of the best drill bits for metal, each built to last, cut cleaner, and work harder. Pick the right set and make every drill count.